Who has this in their home, a torpedo pot that grows your food for you with no human intervention? You don't ever have to worry about watering your plants again. And this is healthy, organic food that you and your family will have at your doorstep all the time. You plan your own garden. You choose what you want to do.
All you have to do is put your seeds in or put your seedlings in, walk away for the rest of the year, and it grows your food for you. You plug up a little hose in the back, you turn a knob in the front, and automatically
it grows your food like you've never seen before, so you'll never grow without. All you do is walk up, you plug it in, turn on that knob you see in the front right there, and water starts to flow through into the biotic chamber. The chamber is designed to grow your plants to ensure the right microorganisms develop and the wrong ones are eliminated. To ensure the toxins from the environment does not get into and destroy your plant, but to ensure your plant lives forever.
All right, so what do you got growing? It's wintertime, you know that, right?
Yeah. These are lettuce from last year.
This is lettuce that's been planted from last year.
Yes, sir.
And it's growing? You gotta be kidding me.
Still growing, still good.
Really? Are you serious?
Can eat it in sandwich.
It's been growing since last year?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. I don't believe this.
I don't use no fertilizer.
You don't use
Nothing.
nothing?
Nothing.
Wow.
The ground.
This is just the torpedo pot, right?
Mm-hmm.
Goodness
This is an
gracious.
awful lot of lettuce. And it's organic lettuce growing from a torpedo pot. All of this lettuce grew from those small planters that you're looking at. And they keep coming back and growing and growing and growing based upon the type of vegetation you have and the season that you're growing. I've never seen anything like it before in my life. I love the way this looks. It's so healthy.
Get a torpedo pot. If you get a torpedo pot, you will never run out of food. Food is not a problem. It's just not your priority right now because you don't know all of the technologies that are
a different
out there.
approach. This pot has been designed to grow fungus. The reason why we chose to go with the fungal process because we realized a lot of people use fertilizers in their to feed their plants, and what we try to tell individuals is that fertilizers they're like a drug. What you do is that you put the fertilizer in and it goes to the plant's root system and the plant absorbs it up, but the plant is not going out and reaching and getting its food. The plant is not existing in an environment, a natural environment where the microbes and the fungus are there to help break down those particulates and make them available to the soil. So you don't have that building soil process. You simply throw your fertilizers in, it goes up into the plant, and it's like a stimulus to make the plants behave in a certain way, not with torpedo pot.
Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at torpedopot.com. Isn't that beautiful? That's kale grown with lettuce. The lettuce will grow for about 5 months. Then it'll start bolting. Then the kale will start picking up after it, and it'll start doing what I want it to do. This is a torpedo pot. See them behind me, man? These are self-growing flower pots. All you do is put your seeds or your plants in a planter, and it grows your kale and your lettuce for you. We purchased, I don't know, maybe 40 plants for $13. We bought 80 plants in total. And last year we took those 80 plants and put them in only 10 planters. And in 10 planters, they grew 11 pounds of lettuce. Tried to buy hydroponic lettuce in the store, and it's an arm and a leg. And it doesn't have the nutritional value that you have when you're growing in the soil. That's why the torpedo pot grows your food for you. It allows you to build that biotic environment so you can have healthy organic food many days. You don't have to do any more work. You don't have to go outside and dig in a garden. You don't have to buy expensive hydroponic systems. Buy a simple torpedo pot. It'll grow your food for you. You cannot eat all this lettuce, but you can invite all your friends over and you can eat it all and then wait a month and then have your lettuce grow right back. Darryl Addison at torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com. Where Torpedo Pot grows your food with no human intervention. All you do is put your plants in, put your seeds in, you can set it.
And that's how powerful this torpedo pot is. Remember, you put your seeds in, you put your seedlings in, and you walk away for the rest of the year and you don't have to do anything at all.
What I want to do is to ensure that when I come outside with those 10 planters, they will feed me around the clock. They'll provide more food for me and my family, so we will never go without.